Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a boil test with the BioLite portable grill. I know that you're not supposed to boil water on top of it. The instructions that come with it say to only place food on top of the grill and not place pots or pans or other cookware, but we're going to try it anyway. So I'm no Hiram cook. He does some pretty good boil tests and stove reviews, but I'm going to do a Hiram Cook style boil test. So this is 2 cups of water sitting at 60 degrees. This is just a meat thermometer. I don't have a really good temperature probe. I'm burning some wood pellets in here. I don't know how much. I'm going to use the same amount for each test. I measured it in this. I have no idea how much that is, but I can do the same amount each time. It's going pretty well. So I think it's about time to start this. I'm going to get my timer going. So I'm going to put this on here, start the timer, and when this gets up to boiling, 212 degrees, we'll stop it. And the temperature's at 210. 212 at about 504, and that's with the fan on low. So let's do a couple more and make a good comparison. Okay, so I dumped all of the remaining wood pellets out, even though there was still quite a bit that hadn't burned. I just wanted to make sure it would be a very consistent test. So I'm lighting my fire. Once it's going, I'm going to put the grill top on, and then we'll do another test with the fan on low. Okay, my fire seems to be going really well now, pretty constant. So, and the grill has been on there for a few minutes warming up. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put the pot on here and see what kind of a boil time we can get. I'm just going to put it right in the middle of the grill. I'm sure you could scoot it around. I guess the idea that would be that you could still cook something else while you're boiling water. So I know that the BioLite people said not to do this, but I'm going to do it and void my warranty, probably, or void my guarantee, whatever. Looks like it's just about there, and we're at about 26.5 minutes. So, obviously not the most practical way to boil some water. So it wasn't a super practical way to try to boil some water by putting the pot right on the grill. But there's one thing I want to try, because I guess the whole idea here is that you would want to try to boil some water while you're using the grill. Because otherwise I have no idea why you want to boil water on the grill, because you have the perfect stove for boiling water. So if you want to maximize your grill space and put your pot on potentially the hottest part of the grill, I know this is a real precarious spot, but that's where we're going to put it. Forgot to start my timer. So I know that sort of leaning makes me nervous, but that's what we're going to do. So it's at 210 degrees, it's just about there, and we're just over 10 minutes on this. Starting to boil a little bit more and more. I'm going to call it right there. So about About 10 minutes and 30 seconds, give or take. Cool. So, I don't think it's very practical to try to boil water on the grill, but like I said before, one reason would be that if you wanted to be grilling something at the same time. It's worked a lot better on this, but it's sort of precarious to have that pot there. It makes me a tiny bit nervous. So it's not something I would recommend doing. I wonder if it would even boil faster if this was open like that. I wonder if that would sound. Huh. That would probably work even better. But save that for another day, I guess. So I thank you for watching, and I thank Mark for the idea for this test.